Hello there, lovely. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a healthy tilapia recipe in the air fryer. This is very easy to make. It is juicy inside and crispy on the outside. Okay, for those that are looking to lose weight, this is a go-to. Okay, you can have this with salad like we're doing. Okay, so if you're curious, stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this wonderful family where I upload videos every Saturday. So let's get into it. Hello there, lovely viewer. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a healthy tilapia recipe in the air fryer. Okay, you can get this fish crispy and delicious without having to use deep frying or too much oil. Okay, so it is healthy, it is delicious, and it is very easy to make. So I have some over here, a tilapia fillet, okay, already washed and pat dried. Okay, and the seasonings, we have 1 teaspoon of paprika, Maggie seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Creole seasoning. Each of those is half a teaspoon of them. Okay, and we have some oil. You can use any oil of choice, healthy oils, most preferably avocado oil or olive oil. Okay, so the essence of this oil is to make sure these seasonings stick to our fish fillet. Okay, so add the oil to the fish, making sure both sides have it. Mix that well. Okay. Rub the oil all over the fish. Okay, and then add in the seasonings. So mix all of that up and add it to the fish. There you have it. Okay, make sure every part of the fish has this seasoning. Mix it well. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Alright. So when you add the oil, it makes sure the things stick to the fish. Season the other side as well, and let it sit in this marinade for at least 10 minutes. Okay, before you add it to your preheated air fryer. There you have it. So let it sit in this marinade for about 10 minutes, okay, before you put it into a preheated air fryer. You can see I did not use all of the seasoning. Okay, so this can be used for another fish as well. So that amount of seasoning is for 2 fish fillets or tilapia fillets as big as this. Okay, after 10 minutes into our preheated oven, it goes at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8-9 minutes, this is how it looks. Juicy, crispy on the top, and so delicious. You can never go wrong with this. Squeeze in a little bit of lemon and enjoy it with whatever you want. We're enjoying it with salad,